Sa wakas, sa halos 2 oras na biyahe, narating ko na din ang Noi Vai International Airport in Vietnam at 2 a.m. Paglapag ng eroplano, pumila agad ako sa immigration for checking. After immigration, kinuha ko na yung luggage ko. After that, naghanap ako ng ATM para mag-withdraw. Nag-withdraw ako sa Agribank worth 3 million dong, katumbas siya ng 6,700 pesos including transaction fee using my BPI card. Sabi nila, GCash card has the least transaction fees. After my withdrawal, naghanap muna ako ng makakainan since ang pick-up time ng HK Sleeper Bus is 7:30 a.m. Kumain ako sa big bowl ng pork rice noodles nila. Pagkatapos ko kumain, pinuntahan ko yung pick-up location ng sleeper bus to familiarize myself since medyo late na ang pick-up time. After checking the pick-up location, bumalik ako sa loob ng airport para doon ako magantay at magpalipas ng oras. Before 7:30, pumunta na ako sa pick-up point and around 8 a.m., dumating na yung sleeper bus going to Sapa. I recommend booking HK Sleeper Bus since ihatid ka nila sa mismong hotel kung saan ka mag-check-in. Siya nga pala, they will ask you to remove your shoes getting inside the bus and they will provide plastic para sa lalagyan. Always check your cabin number. Sleeper bus booking includes water and tissue, massage bed and blanket. Meron nga pala guys na 2 stopover to freshen up and note na may bayad ang restroom, 3,000 dong lang naman. So, ayan lang guys. Salamat. Sana nakatulong. Bye!